Hello friends, welcome back to the channel Study Hour with Happy, and let's continue the seated preparation series part 3. Today we are going to discuss one of the most important topic in child development and pedagogy, that is the principles of development. This topic is very useful for exams like CTET, TET and BEd, and it also helps us understand how children grow and learn at different stages. So stay tuned till the end. Now let's begin our journey together. Before understanding the principle, let's quickly recall what is development. Development means a continuous and orderly process of change that takes place in a person from conception to death. It includes physical, mental, emotional, social, and moral growth. Now let's understand the major principles development one by one. Number 1. Development is a continuous process. It means development never stops. It begins at conception and continues till the end of life. A child keeps learning new things and changing physically and mentally throughout the life. In the image you can see that a child growing from child to a adulthood and to a old age. Now the second point is development follows a predictable pattern. Development happens in a definite and orderly sequence. For example, a child first learns to hold the head, then sit, then crawl, then stand, and finally walk. These stages are predictable and almost the same for all the child. Number 3 is development process from general to specific. At first, a baby makes broad, random movements. Later, the movement become more specific and controlled. For instance, a baby first waves its hands randomly, but later can point or grasp objective precisely. Point number 4 is development follows the cephalocaudal principle, that means head to toe. This means development starts from the head region and moves downwards to the rest of the body. For example, a baby gains control over the head, then arms and finally leg. The next point, point number 5, that is development follows the proximodistal principle, means center to extremist. This means development starts from the center of the body and moves towards the outer part. A baby can move its shoulder before controlling its arms or finger. Number 6 is development depends on both heredity and environment. Our growth is influenced by both heredity, that is, the traits we inherited from our parents, and environment, that is, the conditions around us like family, school, and society. For example, a child may inherit intelligence but needs good education and care to develop it fully. Number 7 is every individual develops at their own rate. No two children grow at exactly the same pace. One child might start walking at 10 months, another at 14 months. Both are normal. Teachers must understand these individual differences and never compare children unfairly. Number 8 is development is interrelated. All areas of development, physical, cognitive, emotional, and social, are connected. For example, good physical health helps a child concentrate better in class, and emotional stability improves learning and friendship. Point number 9 is development leads to integration. In early stages, different parts or abilities develop separately. With time, these abilities combine to form a coordinated whole. For example, a child first learns to move hands and eyes separately, but later coordinate both or to draw or write. Now, point number 10 is development shows direction and order. Development always has direction and sequence, from simple to complex, from general to specific, from head to toe, and from center to outward parts. This helps teacher understand how learning progress step by step. We can also say that development is influenced by both maturation and learning. Maturation is natural growth, while learning is the result of experience and education. Both go hand in hand. So friends, these were the major principles of development that help teacher understand how children grow, learn and behave differently. Let's have a quick revision. Point number 1 is continuous process, 2 predictability pattern, 3 general to specific, 4 head to toe, 5 center to extremists, 6 it is both heredity and environment, 7 individual develop at their own rate, 8 development is interrelated, 9 development leads to integration, 10 development shows direction and order. So friends, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more educational video like this. Stay tuned for the next video. Until then, keep learning and keep growing. Thank you for watching.